how to create an account in Shopify and start selling. So this video will be a tutorial for you to quickly get on board Shopify and get up and running, build your website and start selling. So the first step is to actually click start free trial over here instead of login, because this is the easiest way for us to start making our Shopify running. So let's click start free trial here. This is the first step. Now, this free trial enables us to just configure our Shopify as well as our website from the get-go for the first time over here. So let's just follow the prompts over here. Which of these best describes me? I'm just starting. Next. And where would I like to sell? I would like to sell an online store. And on online marketplaces like Etsy, I want to sell in a Shopify online store and on Etsy only. And if you click in person over here, Shopify will offer you to uh, add a point of sales connection, and that is another settings that you can play with. But for this video, let's just leave it to 2 over here. And also on social media, if you click social media, it will prompt you to connect to your social media, but we will just stick to the basics for this video. So let's click next. And what do I plan to sell? First is the products that I buy or make myself. Alternatively, if you want to create a dropshipping product, let's just click dropshipping. You know what? I think for most cases, Shopify is best for dropshipping. So let's just choose dropshipping for this video. Alternatively, if you want to sell clothing, then print-on-demand products will be the best option for you. Okay, so let's just click next and choose your home country. I'll just use my home country right now. And I'll just sign up with my Google account that I make specifically for this tutorial. So let's just sign up with Google account. And there you go. Shopify will build our first ever online store. So let's sit tight and wait for Shopify to end the settings very quickly right now. All right, now as you can see, we are in our Shopify admin dashboard, and there are a few things that we should set up here, namely the payment information and our products. So the setup guide here is geared after we set up our prompts, after we answer our prompts previously. So as you can see, it now directly ask us to find products to sell. This is because we opt to sell drop shipping products first. Now for the product sourcing apps, let's click browse product sourcing apps. And actually for my case, I think CJ Dropshipping is best. So I'll just go to Shopify App Store now and find CJ Dropshipping. But alternatively, these 4 apps of dropshipping and print-on-demand apps are also very good, and they're very highly rated over here. As you can see, AutoDS, a very famous dropshipping app, has 7K reviews with 4.8 stars. Okay, so let's just find my go-to dropshipping app, which is CJ Dropshipping. In Shopify App Store, just click Shopify App Store and search CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping. And it will be this app. Just click it directly from the search menu and just click install. And once I've clicked install, I need to authorize it for my Shopify store over here. And I'm just going to do it quickly to demonstrate to you, because the process will be very similar across different dropshipping apps. Okay, let's click install and wait for the app to install. Just any moment now. Okay, so let's click login and authorize. For every dropshipping website, I'm very sure you need to log in to the website too. But in this video, this is outside of the scope of this video. So let's just move on to another to the next step. So let's just say you've signed in to your dropshipping page. Next is we need to customize our online store, and I'll just run you through the settings that you can edit. But this is the theme selection menu over here under online store here. Now you can choose one of these popular themes, but Dawn theme will be the default one. To customize your website, just click customize and you can edit your Shopify store website from this editor over here. And there's a plethora of videos even in this channel on editing your website in Shopify, so be sure to check one of those videos. Now, one thing about website is that you can add plugins to your website, and but I mean by plugins I mean analytics and the Facebook integration, and also uh, I'm sure Meta and uh, yeah, Meta is one of the tracking provider for the Shopify store, so you can track sales there, uh, and also Stripe, I believe, and it's for the payment purposes. And to add the trackers for your website, be sure to check other videos. Okay, so next, after you have configured your tracker for your website and you have edited your website, you need to name your store. And to do that, just click here, name store. Notice that after we done one step, we go back to our home and to configure our store. So that is what we will be doing for the rest of the video. My store name will be, I'll just use my brand name. And you can change the store phone and also the store email. To make it more professional, I recommend you to change your store email from your personal email to your store's email. Let's just click save. And after that, let's just set our shipping rates. Now, there you go. We should set our shipping rates from international and domestic. You can also use the third-party app over here. Just make sure that you set up all of these in order to start receiving orders. Now, next is place a test order. But since we haven't done any of those shipping rates and the payment information, I'd recommend you to place a test order later on after you've done configuring everything. So next step that we want to do is to add a payment information, and you can do that by clicking the settings over here on the bottom left and click payments on the menu over here under the users and permission. Now, as you can see, there's PayPal as the default payment method. Just click activate PayPal. It will configure you to activate and connect your PayPal account. You can also add Stripe. I believe it's another famous payment provider. There you go. There's a Stripe over here. Okay, there should be Stripe over here, but no matter. But the point is just add a payment method that you can trust for your payment option. There you go. You can also add a Visa and MasterCard payment over here. But the point is I think you need to create as many payment options as possible for the convenience of your customers. Okay, so now you have a website. You also have found products to sell. You have your shipping rates. You have your payment information set up. What's next? Well, the last thing to do is to place a test order, but that will be another topic for another video. So that is how you get started on Shopify. There you go. You can find your products over here. You will look at this product menu after you've configured your products to sell, and also the analytics and also discounts. You can also create discounts, but this will be another topic. So there you go. Thank you. Good luck.